How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, today's video. Happy days. Saturday morning. Pretty cool this morning, pretty cold. Let me just check here, get across the road, don't get knocked down here. Oh, see it there? See how close that was? That bus just behind me? That would have been a viral video. Rambles with my camera, gets knocked down by a double-decker bus. So listen, today, I mentioned in one of the previous videos there, I'm meeting my good friend Stephen Mullen. Stephen's a great photographer, filmmaker, producer, director, an all-round Mr. Nice Guy. And we've been best friends since 1986 when he was teaching me photography. We're both going to be shooting toy cameras. I've got the Toy Story 3 camera, and Stephen's got a Play School camera. And I don't know what we're going to get. We're just trying to get us to appreciate the technology we've got, put a bit of fun into photography, making the best of what you've got. Oh, beautiful. Just coming up to City Hall here, and it's just really to appreciate what you have in life, because it's easy to, back here, it's easy to forget. I like to think I live with an attitude of gratitude every morning, every evening. I always remind myself of how blessed that I am. There might be things I haven't got in my life, but I just accept that this is where I am on my journey. But I appreciate my life and appreciate my camera. I use a Nikon D3300. I have it now, what, 4 years? But doing the business. Is there better cameras out there? 100%. Is there worse cameras out there? 100%. So that's what this video is going to be about. Going to meet Stephen, send you love, and I'll talk to you throughout the video here. Okay, guys.
Hi, folks.
This is the man himself, Stephen Mullen.
Right, G?
Stephen, what sort of camera have you got?
My camera today, Sean, is amazing. It's a super 35mm sensor.
Okay.
The f-stop range on it is from 1.0 on this lovely prime lens. And also, dynamic range on video is 16 stops.
Wow.
And it's like, and the megabyte speed rate on the card is 350. Okay. So I mean, this is a really special camera.
Wow.
Yeah, and I bought it.
1975.
No, it's like I got it from. No, it's like it cost me £2 in a charity shop.
Okay, can you see it? Play School.
Play School.
Great.
Really great. Really
What's
great.
Rainbow?
Rainbow. Yeah.
Play School.
Play School. Yeah. So this is this is my toy camera.
There you go. Happy days.
Yeah, this is my toy camera. Where's yours?
Mine's just smaller than Stephen's.
Is that a Buzz Lightyear one? Here, you see the what do you call it, the ISO on that camera?
Okay.
It goes to infinity and beyond. Infinity and beyond.
Hey! Right, let's do it. Right, let's go for it. So we're going to have a photo challenge. Don't know where we're going to photograph. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
Yep.
What I'm looking at is you can see the wee bar there, and obviously you got the gentleman sitting. Now he may, so I'm thinking if I stand over here and shoot through that way, it might work. Let me see. Have we look there? May work.
He thinks he's Sean Flynn or Don McCullum. Sean Flynn, Don McCullum.
Okay guys, so thank you very much. Look there man, he's still at it. Like, been a fantastic day, probably about 2.5 hours.
Do you remember Crazy Horse?
John Kitson.
Yeah, Crazy Horse, yeah. God, he was crazy.
John Kitson, also known as Crazy Horse. Now
He had a run-in with me and you one time when we were taking photographs, because he was convinced we were taking photographs of the British Army.
So it was a spy. So listen, what do you think of it?
It was great crack, yeah. Can't wait to see the results out of this
Okay.
and out of Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, we'll see if the pictures do go to infinity and beyond.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love it. My views on the wee camera, obviously we can't wait to see them, but there was a lot of lag. So in order when you took the photograph, you were talking like about 4 second, 5 second lag on it. Quite interesting. Quite glad to have this lunatic running through this.
But for this, when I turned it on, it took about 3 minutes for 3 seconds for the processor.
Okay.
So, and then by the time you got the shot in frame, you're talking about like from on to off, about average 8 seconds for a photograph. But it's not. I think it's
fantastic.
Going to see what's
Been brilliant. I will see us again.
Yeah, it's good fun. It's been really, really good fun.
It just makes you think about the photograph. Think about a wee bit more about the photograph, limitations of the camera. You should always know your camera. Doesn't matter whether it's on your phone, DSLR, film camera, or the point and shoot camera. You have to know your camera, the limitations of it, push it to the limits.
I think for me next, it's probably going to be we'll do an instant shoot, instant film photographs.
Like
get an instant cameras out.
Instant camera.
Get the Polaroids out. Get the Polaroids. Get the instants out.
That would be an interesting.
That'd be a really good one, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So guys, listen, sending you love from Belfast, Stephen Mullen. Stephen?
Yeah, obvious, sorry, SF Film, F-I-L-U-M.
SF Film?
SF Film.
On
you know, like
Instagram?
Film? I went to see a film last night.
I know.
F-I-L-U-M.
On Instagram, check him out. Love this guy here.
Love you too,
We've been our buddy for years. Oh, look at their sunshine. They're coming out of a fucking cave in the sunshine. Coming out of hell into heaven. We're having in hell.
Heaven and hell.
There you go. Look at that there. Ulster said, you! Or was it yow? You! Yahoo! There you go, guys. Listen, send you love. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. Give the video a wee like. Consider sharing it. Also, hit the wee notification bell down below. That'll be getting notifications of the videos. I say, check out Stephen. Great guy. 100% genuine guy. Daniel from Belfast. See you in the next video.